All right, we're going to try this again. Apparently, my volume has been messing up, and no one told me except for one of my students. And I just made more videos that messed up. So hopefully, we're good now. All right, I'm back. This is Mr. Short. Mr. Short. Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, Module 4, Lesson 24. All right, it says add and show your thinking. I'm only going to show you one of these problems because I think you guys can figure this out. These pretty straightforward. This, I want to show you this one. I have more room. And this one, I'm going to show you how we need to change something. So when we add first, we always do these whole numbers first, right? So that's going to give us 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And now we're over fifths. So they're both fifths. So we have to change that. So now we have 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 is 7. But now we have a mixed number that's also an improper fraction. So we can't leave it this way because there's more on the top than there is in the bottom. So I like to split it like this. I want 4 over here, and I need to break 7/5 down. So when I break down 7/5, I want to figure out how many times the denominator can go into the numerator. So how many times can 5 go into 7? So basically, 7 divided by 5. What is 7 divided by 5? 1. How much do we have left now? We have a remainder. So basically now we want 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. We're going to put that over 5 because that's our denominator that we use the whole time. Now we just add this together. So now we just have 4 plus 1 and 2/5. 4 plus 1 and 2/5 equals 5 and 2/5. Remember, this number, if the top's heavy, top's bigger, we have to divide it. Figure out how many times the denominator can go into the numerator. On another problem, if you say this would have been, or like this one up here, you might want to look. Because remember, if we ever have a number that is just, say, like 10 over 10, this equals 1. So if you get the same number on the top and bottom, that's the same as 1. So you might need to change your answer to get it correct. Because I wouldn't want you to tell me that this is 3 and 10/10. This would actually be 3, and if we split it, 3 plus 1, that would be 4 would be your answer for that one. Might be a little hint for this one up here. Just trying to help out. All right, let's look on the back on page 148. Multiply and show your method. We're multiplying by 2. So I get to show the place value chart for multiplication, which I like. Parents, follow along at home as we go on this voyage together after I learn how to make an 8. There we go. Keep these neat. All right. So show your method. We do however we want. So I want to do thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So I have to write this number 2 times because I'm going to multiply it by 2. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I have 5 tens, and I have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1. Now I'm going to do it again because I need to do it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 hundredths, 1, 2, 3. 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should have made this a little bigger. We're going to make it work. All right. So first thing we do, add up our ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well, that's too many. I need to put 10 and move them. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As soon as I make that last one, I go over, show that I carried one over. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we look at how that relates over here, we have 8 times 2. What's 8 times 2? It's 16. We put our 6 here and carry our 1 over to the tens, just like we did here. Let's look at our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's move 10 over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to move over. Put that here. How many do we have left? Just this lonely one. Over here, we have 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is what? 10. But then we have that extra 1 up there. All right. So that's 11 because 10 plus 1 is 11. So we got to put that 1 over there also. Just like we were saying, 10 tens gives us 100. 10 tens gives us 100 over there. So on this side, I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Under 10, don't have to do anything. Over here, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then we have 4 twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over here, we have 4 times 2 is 8. 1. My goodness. 8,716. 8,716. 8,716. We got it right twice, which means we got it right. Division. You can do division the same way. If you've been following along with me, you know how to set this up. Hundreds, tens, and ones. If you want to do it this way. If you got another way that works better for you, go with that. All right? Hope this helps. I'm Mr. Short. The whistles are going outside, which means it's time for me to get out of here. Go get my class from their special. I apologize about the volume being messed up on the other ones. I'll try to get those fixed for you. But hey, you can still watch what I'm doing and follow along. Just imagine my voice. Or don't imagine my voice. Just follow what I'm doing if I don't get them fixed before you need them. All right? Hey, I hope this helps. I hope you have